Hello friends, this is Mannu the reviewer back again with some more information about BPSC 02/2017 cutoff and results. Hope you liked my previous cutoff analysis video which has earned more than 11k views. Thank you for your love, appreciation and suggestions. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive notification. Please watch till the end to know the actual cutoff. Now what you are seeing on my screen, it is my Telegram group where you can see there is more than 1000 members who are totally aspirants of BPSC A022017. Last time when I had done my cutoff analysis, it was for 700 marks. After that, BPSC published its answer key as key for objection, in which they have already deducted 17 marks, due to which total marks is 683 now. Also, I have conducted many polls and surveys using Google Forms asking for subjective and objective marks expected by candidates through my Telegram group, which I have shown you before. Now, right now what you are seeing on your screen, it's pre-cut. It's my last cutoff that I have done in my previous video. That you can see for general it is 335 to 350, for SC it is 285 to 305, for ST it is 300 to 315, for EBC it is 238 to 250, for BC it is 215 to 330. Last time for girls I have not shown. Now before I move on, I would like to give you a brief description about the seats that we are fighting for. There is total 1284 seats, out of which 735 is for generals, 147 is for SC, 4 seats is reserved for ST, 240 seats is reserved for EBC, 92 seats for BC and 66 seats for girls who belong to reserve category irrespective of their caste. Means each and every caste reserve category girls can fight for this 66 seats, and extra over this there is 35% seats, and according to me approx 500 for general merit selection after considering PH, freedom fighters and meritorious girls who come in the merit rank by themselves. Now what you can see on this screen, it is a screenshot of a case that is going on against our result. You must know or you mustn't know that why the result is being delayed by BPSC. It's because there is a case which is already from during pre-exam. Actually 4 exam questions were challenged by some students claiming that it was correct, that would differ from answer key given by BPSC. So we hope, according to the main respondent, I have contacted him also, and even the chairman of BPSC, they have said that we may get result very soon of this case also and our result also. Now what you can see over your screen, it's pre-cutoff. Why I am showing this cutoff is because my analysis is also based on this, because here you can see unreserved category is 66 and SC is 47, but for ST it is 54. Why? Because for ST seats are very minimum. For EBC it is 48, that is minimum marks, and for BC it is 56 again. Now as I have told you before that I have conducted different surveys. I have a Telegram group where I have around 1100 people. Now based on that survey, last time what I have done, means last time what analysis I have done, that was based on 2011 AE exam, but this time it is different. As you also know that after the publishing of BPSC answer key, the total marks have come down to 683, and here you can see in this survey that I have conducted, the average objective marks is 115, and now it is for 115 is for subjective, and now this is for objective. Average objective marks is 246. This is actually based on total 475 candidates, out of which many have overestimated, and also there are many who have done duplicate feeding of survey. But based on this, for a total approximate average of these all marks was around 360 marks. Now this 360 marks, according to me, this average 360 marks is a par score for a general candidate to get the final selection if he scores 40 to 50 marks in interview. Means what I'm trying to say is that 400 to 410 marks in total would be means it will be more than enough for you to get selection. Here you can see what I am showing is the number of candidates that have appeared in this exam, that is 475. So based on this, as you know, this is for mains. I am telling to get final selection you must need at least 360 marks. But BPSC calls 2.67 times, as we have seen in recent result of mechanical and fisheries. So on my calculation, it's around 300 to 315. That would be more than enough for a general candidate to get a call for interview. Right now what you are seeing on your screen, it is a RTI done by a candidate. Is how many students have appeared in this exam. It's around 9,264 of 10,000 finally totally selected. And also in the next screen you will see category wise student appeared in this exam. For BC it is 2,644. For EBC it is 1,958. For SC it is 1,024. For ST actually we have not got that data, but there is only 4 seats for ST. For that according to that we can guess. So basis on this data, number of candidate appeared in exam and the cutoff for prelims which I have shown you before, means that was also based on this data only. Major number of candidates that appear in this exam is from BC category, who have also been selected in general category. So as you know, last time after my analysis in that video, I have shown you this cutoff for general 335 to 350, SC 285 to 305, ST 300 to 315. Now this is the main cutoff. See, right now you are seeing the actual cutoff that I have analyzed, and I am sure this will be the cutoff. This is the range. This is the final range. If you are getting in this range, you are definitely going to be called for interview. Mark my words. For general it is 300 to 315. For SC it is 235 to 255. For ST it is 285 to 295. For EBC it is 240 to 260. For BC it is 285 to 295. And believe me, my friends, my dear lady friends, if you are getting around 225 marks in mains BPSC A exam 022017, you are definitely going to be selected for interview. So hope you like my video. Please like this video.